Outlier AI Review Best AI Tool to Make Money. First, you can go to Google and search Outlier AI. You'll find Outlier AI in Google. As you can see, first thing pops up is Shape the Next Generation of AI with Expertise. In Outlier AI, you can share your knowledge. Everyone's an expert at something, so you can share your expertise. You can also connect with fellow experts and join the community of Outlier AI. You can also get paid on your terms, earn competitive pay by working from anywhere. As you also find multimodal of Outlier AI. You can open rewrite assignments in this, and also in this website you can see all the ratings and rankings. And this is the AI review for Outlier. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. About question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.